Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zainab. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. So today we'll be making a homemade lip scrub that will give you the absolute and perfect lips. So lip scrubs are an easy way to get softer, fuller lips, and this lip scrub we'll be making here will be inexpensive, easy to make, and only uses 5 ingredients, all of which have healthy benefits. So to make this lip scrub, you will need a bowl to mix the ingredients in. Next, you'll be needing a spoon to use in mixing the ingredients. And next, we'll be needing an airtight container which you can use in storing the lip gloss. Which you can use in storing the lip scrub in. So you just get any airtight container which you can use in storing the lip scrub in. So these are all the ingredients we'll be needing for this scrub. Here we have brown sugar. We all know brown sugar is a good exfoliator. It helps to take away dead skin cells on the lips, creating a smooth surface. So next I'll be using a cinnamon, but this is the cinnamon stick. I'll be grating this into powdery form, and cinnamon is known to help improve blood flow by using it directly on the lips. It reduces fine lines and makes them seem fuller. So the next ingredient is honey. Honey has a good moisturizing properties which helps reduce dryness. Next is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize and soften the lips. Next we have vitamin E. So vitamin E helps to protect the lips from sun damage. So first you want to make sure your mixing bowl is well cleaned and dry. I'll be starting out with my dried ingredients. So I'll be putting some ground cinnamon into the bowl. It really doesn't have to be accurate. So next I'll be adding brown sugar. You can also use white sugar, but I feel brown sugar is more gentle. So I'll gently mix the dry ingredients before adding the wet ingredients. So I'll be adding just a little of coconut oil. Also adding a little bit of honey and also just a little vitamin E oil. And I'll just gently mix all the ingredients well. So once you're done mixing, you store your lip scrub in an airtight container. So guys, I was really thinking this will fill up the container, but it's all good though. Once this gets finished, I'll just make another. So there we have it, simple and easy. So you just apply appropriate amounts all over lips, rub the scrub on lips for about 30 seconds and let it sit for some minutes. Rinse with normal water and apply a good lip balm. So for best results, use 3 times a week. And also if you do not have organic coconut oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil. So the benefit of this lip scrub is to get soft lips, smooth lips, plump lips, and also remove dead cells from lips. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Also leave me a cool comment down below the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.